So for those who aren't from the Philippines, I thought I'd talk about who Scarlet Snow Belo is. She is the beautiful and intelligent daughter of Vicky, Belo, and Hayden Ko, two celebrity doctors from the Philippines. And just last March 3, she turned 3 and she had this pastel-filled dino rainbow themed party, and that is the theme that we will be emulating today. And to start, we had to have the perfect outfits. Vicky, Belo, and Scarlet had these, well, I think they're paisley. I think that's what you call the print. Paisley dresses. They were dolce and gabbana. I don't have that kind of money, so what I did was I dug around my closet and found a long floral printed skirt and cut the bottom, and I made myself some sleeves to make this cute off-shoulder top. With the rest of the fabric, I literally wrapped it around Chelsea and just tied it with a knot somehow. If you need proof that I actually made these items, or if you just want to know exactly how I made these items, you can check out the live stream I did on Kumu. Kumu is a Filipino-made communication app where you can connect and learn from other Filipino creators like me. But back to the program. This dance is called the Mommy Was Able to Turn Her Old Skirt into a New Top and Dress for Chelsea dance. Now that we've got our matching outfits, we gotta make this backdrop. That's Scarlet's, and this is Chelsea's. Gorgeous! Chelsea calls it the unicorn poop background, and to make it, we started out with this metal frame that I got from a depot and a bunch of these clothespins. So I started out with this cellophane curtain that I got from Celebrations Party Central. It is so beautiful, and it already comes cut up like this. And super easy. I just started clipping it on with those clothespins, and as you can see, one isn't enough. Good thing I had 2 of them, and I did exactly the same thing. This is dangerous work, so be careful. When I stepped back, I realized you could still see the frame, so I grabbed myself some pink tulle. Don't ask me why I have this much tulle lying around, I just do. And I stuck that right under the cellophane curtain like this. You could do this step first. Don't be like me and, give yourself a hard time. That's just to show you how many pins I had to use. And that's the final product. Gorgeous. At this point, I kind of got carried away with the tulle. Doesn't look like much here, but trust me, it'll be all worth it. And nothing says party more than a string of tassels. These tassels came from the same place I got the cellophane curtain. They are so easy to make. You just roll them up like this, and it comes with a string in the pack, and you just tape it on there like this. It's a lot easier than it looks. Finally, grab yourself some tape. There you go. Super easy. And I'll be linking everything below, by the way, so no worries. I know we were going for a dino theme, but there you have it. We have our unicorn poop background complete with tassels and everything. With kids come short attention spans, so we need activities at this party. Scarlet had this huge sandbox where she and her friends could dig out these dino fossils. Now I have no access to sand. I do not live next to a beach. I do live next to a 7-Eleven, so I got myself some Kinder eggs, hid those eggs, and now I have a scavenger hunt to keep Chelsea occupied. Finally, what's a party without cake? This is Scarlet Snow Belo's cake from Red Ribbon. It was a 3-layer cake, and we had to make the same one. To make this cake, we just had to grab some baking powder, white chocolate chips, and all-purpose flour. Just kidding, I do not know how to bake. My friend Mikeya made our cake from Malin's restaurant here in Cavite. She went to town and made all the dinosaurs and the foliage and this beautiful pastel rainbow and printed Chelsea's picture to put right atop it. So before I end this video, I thought I'd share this funny coincidence that Scarlet turned 3 on March 3 and Chelsea's gonna turn 6 on April 6. That's it really. I thought it was kind of cool. So that's our video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to follow me on Instagram, that is the Mommy Cab, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!
slip my ribbon, guys.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
I feel like I'm in a swimsuit.